Welcome to a quick introduction to Scratch. When you go to scratch.mit.edu, you'll be presented with a page that looks something like this. You can try it out or click Create. They both do the same thing. And I'm just going to open that in a new window. And meanwhile, if you'd like to read more about it, you can just scroll down to the very bottom of the page and there's an About section. I'll open that in a new window as well. And there's an Educator section. So when you go to actually make a project, this is when we clicked on Create, this is what pops up. And I'm going to close the tips window. And just because I'm doing this video in a small window, I'm going to click this little triangle right there. So this is your output. This is your game screen. Here's your list of objects. And if you would like to create a new object, you can. And then for this object, there's some code that we can just create. And there's all these different sections of code. We can put the pen down and do all kinds of other stuff. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can just click on it to make it bigger or to make it smaller. If you're using Google Chrome, or I believe Firefox, you can right-click and there's some other choices. For whatever reason, I tried to do this in Internet Explorer and it was inconsistent at best and totally didn't work at worst. Seemed to give me a flash menu. So there's your code, and that's just a basic introduction. If you wanted to read more about Scratch, here's the About Scratch page and a number of different resources there. And then for educators, there's the educator page. So this is just a quick introduction. It's an excellent tool, Scratch is, for teaching young people how to think like a computer, how to program and code, and I hope that you can follow some of the other videos in this series to achieve those results. Best of luck!